Preposition often confused. 1. At and in. A. At incorrect. I spend my holidays in Vienna. Correct. I spend my holidays at Vienna. B. In. Incorrect. He lives at London. Correct. He lives in London. Note. In used before the names or countries and large cities or before the name of the place in which one is at the time of speaking. At is used before the names of small towns and villages or in speaking of a distant place. 2. To and at. A. To. Incorrect. We come at school every morning. Correct. We come to school every morning. B. At. Incorrect. Someone is standing to the door. Correct. Someone is standing at the door. Note. To is used to express motion from one place to another, while at is used to denote position or rest. 3. After for in. Incorrect. I may be able to go after a week. Correct. I may be able to go in a week. Note, when we are speaking of a space of time in the future, we must use in and not after. 4. In for within. Incorrect. I will come back in an hour. Correct. I will come back within an hour. Note, in means after the end of, within means before the end of. 5. To and till. A. To. Incorrect. We walk till the river and back. Correct. We walk to the river and back. B. Till. Incorrect. I shall stay here to next month. Correct. I shall stay here till next month. Note, to is used with distance and till with time. 6. In and into. A. In. Incorrect. He spent all the day into his room. Correct. He spent all the day in his room. B. Into. Incorrect. He came in the room and sat down. Correct. He came into the room and sat down. Note, in denotes inside something, while into denotes towards the inside of something. 7. On at in. A. On. Incorrect. He will arrive at Monday. Correct. He will arrive on Monday. B. At. Incorrect. I usually get up on 5 o'clock. Correct. I usually get up at 5 o'clock. C. In. Incorrect. He takes a walk at the afternoon. Correct. He takes a walk in the afternoon. Note, on is used with the days of the week or month. At is used with the exact time. In is used with a period of time. 8. For and at. A. For. Incorrect. I bought a book at 10 shillings. Correct. I bought a book for 10 shillings. B. At. Incorrect. I cannot buy it for such a price. Correct. I cannot buy it at such a price. Note, for is used if the actual sum is mentioned. At is used if the actual sum is not given. 9. Between and among. A. Between. Incorrect. There was a fight among two boys. Correct. There was a fight between two boys. B. Among. Incorrect. Divide the mangoes between them. Correct. Divide the mangoes among them. Note, between is used for only two. On the other hand, among used for more than two. 10. Beside and besides. A. Beside. Incorrect. He sat besides me. Correct. He sat beside me. B. Besides. Incorrect. We study Japanese beside English. Correct. We study Japanese besides English. Note, beside means by the side of and besides means in addition to. 11. except for besides. Incorrect. I have other books except these. Correct. I have other books beside these. Note. Except means leaving out. 12. By for with. Incorrect. The man shot the bird by a gun. Correct. The man shot the bird with a gun. Note. When the action is done, we use with and by denotes the doer of the action, as the bird was shot by the man. 13. From for by. Incorrect. Mary was punished from her father. Correct. Mary was punished by her father. Note. By should be used after the passive voice to show the doer of the action. 14. From for of or on. Incorrect. He is the tallest from all the boys. Correct. He is the tallest of all the boys, or he is the tallest boy in the class. Note. Adjectives in the superlative degree are preceded by the and followed by of or in. 15. For about. Incorrect. The teacher spoke for bad habits. Correct. The teacher spoke about bad habits. 16. Since for. Incorrect. He has lived here since 2 years. Correct. He has lived here for 2 years. Note. For is placed before words or phrases denoting a period of time. 17. From for since. Incorrect. He has been ill from last Monday. Correct. He has been ill since last Monday. Note. Since placed before words or phrases denoting a point of time.